Did you know that you could use the AI features embedded in Canva to help you determine student misconceptions? Find out how here, now on MCPS Tech Shorts. Hi, I'm Amanda, and today I'm going to show you 3 quick and easy ways to use Canva AI with student-generated responses. First, let's examine the summary feature with Canva Magic Write. Before using the Lasso tool to select student responses, it's always a good idea to make sure that whatever you have in the background is locked. Then, click and drag until the purple box selects all of the student responses. After all the student responses are selected, a new toolbar will pop up. At the left of the toolbar, you will see the icon for Magic Write, which is Canva's native AI application. Click on the pencil and stars to open up Magic Write and select Create a Summary. Then, sit back and let Magic Write do the work. It will summarize student responses and categorize them for you so that you are able to determine the next steps for your lesson. Next, let's look at student responses and determine some misunderstandings they may be having about the lesson on chemical and physical changes. Select all student responses again and select the Magic Write tool from the toolbar. Now, scroll down to the custom prompt. In the custom prompt box, I'm going to type in, what are the misunderstandings students have based on the responses they've written for this exit card? And then I'm going to click Submit. And just like that, Canva's Magic Write tool generates a list of the misconceptions students are having about chemical and physical changes. I can see that I have some clarifying to do about the major differences between these two processes. Finally, let's generate a short checking for understanding for students based upon their responses. Once again, select all students' responses and choose Magic Write from the toolbar. Then, select Generate Quiz. The Magic Write tool will create a 1-question live poll for students that can be used like an exit ticket. If you want another question, just repeat the process. Once students have answered, you can go up to the polls toolbar, select responses, and see who answered how and make a plan for reteaching specific students. And that's it. The next time you want your students to share their thoughts and ideas in a way that you can efficiently summarize, analyze, or use to plan for further instruction or assessment, try these AI tools in Canva. If you want to dive deeper into other AI tools available in Canva that can help you and your students, check out the link in the description below.